Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our LSA VGL 66WT. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part B, one part C, and 12 parts number 2. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing part C from previous. 8 parts number 1, our wooden dowel. 6 parts number 3, the lockers. 2 parts D, and 1 part E, as well as 1 part F. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our part B from earlier. 8 parts number 1, our wooden dowel, and 6 parts number 3, our locker. Let's assemble. Number 1. Number 3. How's better on the main cam? Yes, that's 10. Bro. Huh? No, but 10, bro. Like, yes, sir. No sense of urgency. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm sure. I hope so we can start all over. For our next step, we'll be needing B1 and C1 and 4 parts number 2. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous C1, 1 part F, 1 part B, 4 parts number 1, our wooden dowel, and 2 parts 3, our locker. Let's assemble the top side. For our next step, we'll be needing B1 from previous, 4 parts 1, our wooden dowel, and 2 parts number 3, the locker. Let's assemble now. I don't know why I've got other number 2s here. Still got the lockers, the screws here for some reason. Yeah, well, I hope not. Let's see. Yeah, even if they can see it, then tough shit. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous assembly. Parts L, 4 parts number 1, the wooden dowel, and 4 parts number 4, the self-tapping screws. Let's assemble now. Notice part F is facing down. When installing L, you'll see there's a countersunk hole here for the screws. Let's install part number 1 first. For our next step, we'll be needing our 2 previous assemblies, as well as 4 parts number 2, 4 parts number 1, 4 parts number 3. Let's assemble number 2. For the next step, an optional step, refer to the user manual. You will be adding your anti-tipping now. For our example, we won't be installing this. Let's continue. We'll be needing boards A, 4 number 2, and 4 number 1. Let's proceed. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts number 3, our locker. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing G1, G, and 26 parts number 6. Let's assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts K, 2 parts H, 4 parts I, and 2 parts J, as well as 16 parts number 5. Let's assemble now. Now that both drawers are complete, we'll insert them. Thank you so much for watching the product assembly of our LSA VGL 66WT. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.